Dumpster rental service in Santa Ana, California. Dumpster rental service in Santa Ana, California, is one of the easiest ways to simplify and manage cleanup during demolition projects. Debris piles up quickly when tearing down a structure or clearing out a commercial space. That's where Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated comes in. We make debris removal easy and efficient. Demolition generates a mix of waste, including concrete, drywall, scrap metal, and more. Our team offers a range of dumpsters to match the size and scope of your project. Having the right dumpster on-site means you can dispose of materials as you go, keeping your space clean and your crew moving forward without delays. You won't need to carry debris across the job site or wait for someone to pick it up. Just load your dumpster and continue with your work. Our dumpsters are built to handle heavy, bulky materials, and we deliver and pick up on your schedule to minimize downtime. At Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated, we're committed to helping contractors and property owners keep their demolition sites safe and organized. Whether the job is big or small, we have a dumpster that fits your needs. Planning a demolition? Call us at 888-412-4790 for fast, reliable dumpster rental service, and let us make your cleanup stress-free and straightforward.